Dateline, Disney. Do you know who's the most popular bear in history? He's been a Disney Channel regular for years. Can you guess his name?
Might take a day or two.
He's a favorite of children and adults all over the world.
Who? Who is it?
It's Pooh.
What's a Pooh?
Pooh's not a what. Who's a who? Oh, Winnie the Pooh, to be exact. And his fame and popularity stretch to the four corners of the earth.
Oh, isn't that wonderful?
Winnie the Pooh and his companions are the creation of British author A.A. Milne, who based his stories on the imagination of a young boy and his stuffed animal friends. Although the first Pooh book, Winnie the Pooh, was published in 1926, it wasn't until 1966, when the Disney animators brought the 100-Acre Woods to life, that Pooh soared into the international spotlight.
That's so.
Today, Winnie the Pooh can be found on children's clothing, linens, wristwatches, pictures, calendars, wallpaper, and, of course, stuffed toys. His adventures are told in books, music, and television. He has his own Saturday morning series on network television. He's the star of the Disney Channel series Welcome to Pooh Corner. And this coming Sunday night, he'll be featured in the magical world of Disney as it presents Winnie the Pooh and the Blustery Day on NBC. This delightful animated feature, which was a year and a half in the making, represents the combined talents of no less than 16 of Disney's finest artists, creating more than 95,000 individual drawings, 110 background stills, and 76 panoramic pictures. But has our adventuresome little friend let all this fame and fortune go to his head?
I don't think so.
Of course not. He remains the same modest, lovable, endearing character he's always been.
A heroic thing to do.
So be sure to catch the adventures and misadventures of Winnie and his friends on the Disney Channel's Welcome to Pooh Corner. And don't forget to tune into NBC this Sunday evening as the magical world of Disney presents Winnie the Pooh and the Blustery Day.
Good show.